Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world of wealth and success. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the top 6 income sources that rich people have. If you're looking to build your wealth or simply curious about how the wealthy make their money, you're in the right place. Let's get started. 1. Stocks. Our first income source for the wealthy is investments, and we'll start by discussing stocks. Rich individuals understand the power of putting their money to work for them in the stock market. When it comes to stocks, the wealthy have a few key strategies. They often build diverse portfolios by investing in a wide range of companies and industries. This diversification helps spread risk and ensures that even if one sector faces challenges, their overall portfolio remains strong. Diverse portfolios may include tech giants like Apple, healthcare companies like Johnson & Johnson, and energy companies like ExxonMobil. Rich people tend to be long-term investors. They buy stocks with the intention of holding onto them for years, if not decades. This approach allows them to benefit from compounding returns and ride out market volatility. Some of the wealthiest investors have held onto stocks like Warren Buffett's investment in Coca-Cola for decades, reaping the rewards of consistent growth. Rich investors focus on both dividends and capital gains. Dividends provide a steady stream of income, while capital gains result from the increasing value of their stock holdings over time. For instance, companies like Johnson & Johnson are known for their consistent dividend payments, which attract long-term investors seeking income. 2. Real estate. Moving on to our second major income source for the wealthy, real estate. Rich individuals often have substantial investments in real estate, and here's why. Owning multiple properties, both residential and commercial, allows them to generate rental income. This income can be a consistent source of cash flow, especially in high-demand markets. Luxury apartments, office buildings, and shopping centers are common real estate investments that provide significant rental income. Real estate typically appreciates in value over time. Rich investors benefit from this property appreciation, which can result in substantial profits when they decide to sell. For example, properties in prime locations like Manhattan or Silicon Valley have seen substantial appreciation over the years, making them attractive investments for the wealthy. Additionally, some wealthy individuals invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs. These provide exposure to the real estate market without the hassle of property management, offering attractive dividends. REITs often focus on specific sectors such as healthcare, retail, or industrial real estate, allowing investors to diversify within the real estate market. Before we go to our third income source, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. 3. Business ownership. Now, let's delve deeper into our third income source for the wealthy: entrepreneurship through business ownership. Many affluent individuals have built successful businesses that continue to generate substantial income. Rich individuals often own businesses across various industries, from tech startups to traditional brick-and-mortar ventures. These businesses can provide them with both a steady income stream and the potential for substantial profits when they decide to sell. Diverse ventures allow them to hedge against economic downturns in specific sectors. For example, Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, has diversified his wealth through various business ventures, from electric cars to space exploration, demonstrating the power of multiple income streams. By owning businesses, the wealthy not only generate income for themselves but also create jobs for others. This can lead to positive economic impacts within their communities and industries. Business owners often take pride in their ability to contribute to job creation and economic growth. Consider successful entrepreneurs like Richard Branson, who has created thousands of jobs through his various business ventures, including Virgin Group. Wealthy individuals often employ strategic expansion techniques to increase their income. This may involve acquiring other companies or expanding into new markets. For instance, Amazon's acquisition of Whole Foods allowed the company to diversify its revenue streams and enter the grocery industry, generating substantial income from both online retail and physical stores. 4. Passive income businesses. Our fourth income source for the wealthy within the realm of entrepreneurship is passive income businesses. Some wealthy individuals create businesses designed for passive income. These can include online businesses such as e-commerce stores, blogs, or affiliate marketing websites. Once established, these businesses require minimal effort but yield consistent returns. Affiliate marketers, for example, earn commissions by promoting products or services from other companies on their websites, with income flowing in while they focus on other ventures or enjoy their leisure time. For those with creative talents, royalties from intellectual property can be a lucrative source of income. This includes income from books, music, patents, trademarks, and even popular YouTube channels. Creators receive payments every time their work is used or sold, leading to ongoing passive income streams. Notable examples include authors like J.K. Rowling, who continues to earn royalties from the Harry Potter franchise, and musicians who receive royalties from their songs even decades after their release. 5. Franchising. Now, let's explore another income source that is popular among the wealthy: franchising. Franchising offers a unique opportunity to own and operate a business with a proven model and established brand. Here's how it works. Many affluent individuals invest in franchise opportunities, where they purchase the rights to operate a business under an established brand. These franchises can range from fast food restaurants like McDonald's to fitness centers like Anytime Fitness. Franchise owners benefit from the brand recognition, training, and ongoing support provided by the franchisor. Wealthy franchise owners often expand their portfolio by owning multiple franchise locations. This allows them to generate passive income from each location while leveraging the economies of scale. The income from multiple franchises can be substantial, especially in high-demand industries. Many wealthy franchise owners hire experienced managers to oversee day-to-day operations, allowing them to focus on strategic decisions and growth opportunities. This delegation enables them to enjoy the benefits of entrepreneurship while minimizing their direct involvement. 6. Intellectual property licensing. Our sixth income source for the wealthy is intellectual property licensing. This strategy involves licensing the use of intellectual property, such as patents, trademarks, copyrights, or proprietary technology, to other businesses or individuals in exchange for royalties or fees. Inventors and tech entrepreneurs often license their patented inventions or cutting-edge technology to companies that can commercialize and market these innovations. Licensing agreements can result in significant income for the intellectual property owner. For example, pharmaceutical companies frequently license patented drug formulations to others, generating substantial royalties. Well-known brands and content creators, such as celebrities, authors, and filmmakers, often license their names, images, or creative works for various purposes. This can include merchandise, endorsements, movie adaptations, or the use of their brand in marketing campaigns. Licensing fees and royalties from such agreements can contribute to significant income streams. Wealthy individuals may accumulate portfolios of intellectual property rights over time, creating a diversified set of income sources. This strategy ensures that they have multiple avenues for generating income from their creative and innovative assets. We've discussed 6 income sources that rich people leverage. These income streams provide them with opportunities to diversify their wealth and generate passive income while pursuing their entrepreneurial and creative interests. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth insights into wealth building and financial success. And as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.